Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about companion planting, being able to plant carrots and onions together. But before I get started, I would like to bring to you my companion, my grandson. Hi, Amari.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
What are we planting today?
So we're gonna plant onions and carrots.
Very good. We're planting onion and carrots, and they're called companion planting because they grow well together. The onions ward off unwanted pests, and so one of the benefits is it brings pollinators, which of course we desperately need. Now, another thing about companion planting is you want to make sure you have the same feeders. What do I mean by that? When it's time to feed the plants, I don't want to put a heavy feeder, a plant that loves to be fed quite often, and a light feeder. So the carrots and the onions are light feeders, and that's another benefit of them working well together. So are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
These are carrot seeds. They're small. We gotta mix them with sand.
Because the seeds are so small, it's easier to mix them with sand. Now, there are carrot seeds that are coated also. They're somewhat larger. They're like pellets, and they're coated with a clay. And they're typically used in cedars because they are coated versus the ones that are uncoated. So what we're going to do now, we have this soil. It's light and fluffy. Carrots love fluffy soil. So we're going to take and we're going to place, and my companion is going to help me. We're going to dig a hole and then put the green onion in.
And all of these plants are gonna grow good. They can only be brown and black.
And this is our last onion, green onion. Now that we have placed the green onions around the interior of the 25-gallon container, now we're going to sprinkle the onion seeds. This is called broadcasting, where you just take the seeds, you just sprinkle them here and there. Before we water them, we have to lightly
put dirt on it.
put soil.
Put soil.
Then we're going to pat it down.
Okay.
And now what are we going to do?
Now we're gonna water it
Okay.
with a watering can.
Now that we have watered thoroughly, we're going to water for the next 7 days to make sure that the seeds take hold. When the carrots get about 3 to 6 inches, 3 to 4 inches, we're going to fertilize them with a phosphorus and a potassium. Not nitrogen. Carrots don't need a lot of nitrogen, but they do need more phosphorus and potassium. And then once the carrots reach 6 to 8 inches, we will fertilize them again. Thank you for watching.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.